Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to reset your password of Forever 21 account. It's a very simple process and we're gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, navigate to the Forever 21 website. You need to go to the login page of the Forever 21 website. On the login page, you'll see a forgot password link just below the password field, so tap on that. Next up, you will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Forever 21 account. So tap on the email field and enter your email. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now tap on send button. Now check your email inbox for a message from Forever 21. As you can see, I've received the email from Forever 21. Tap on it. So once you open the email, look for the password reset link. Here you can see the option reset password. Tap on it. Now this will redirect you to a new page in a browser where you can set a new password for your account. So enter your new password. Make sure your password is secure and easy to remember. You need to reconfirm your new password. Once you're done, tap on the save button. And there you go. You've successfully changed the password of your Forever 21 account. Now you can log back in with your email and your new password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.